Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Mother's Day. Today is my first Mother's Day. It's so crazy that I'm a mom. Oh, mom life. This is mom life, huh, mama? Um, Here we are. Alright, so we're ready. We're kind of matching. I just put this on because I wanted to take some cute pictures. Yeah, can't believe I haven't worn this dress since I was pregnant. The last time I wore it, I was pregnant. So I was like, whoa, this is weird. Like, I don't have a belly. Okay, so today is the day after Mother's Day. I didn't vlog much yesterday because we did spend like 3 hours over there at the, like, trying to get new phones. And just because we wanted to keep the same number, and then we were getting our own line. Oh my god, there's a fly in here. It's annoying. Like, pinche mosca. Okay, ya se fue. But yeah, anyways, so we got new phones. That was my Mother's Day present. So I'm excited for that. I haven't had a new phone since, oh my gosh, I don't even know like how long. I still have the iPhone 8. So since that one, I haven't had a new phone. But yeah, I'm over here putting her little newborn stuff away. Oh my goodness. This is sad. Oh, this one's, no, this one does fit her. I got this one. Like, all the little clothes that I like, um, like, this is a newborn size, and this is a 3 to 6 months. I got it in bigger sizes. This is newborn. Oh my goodness. I don't know. It's like I want to keep everything for memory, but then I don't want to be a hoarder. Right now we're playing, and we get to open her new Lovevery box. It comes with these toys. She is 5 months now, so this one's a 5 to 6 months, the sensor. And I love that all these toys are good for her development. It comes with a little book, and it just gives you a timeline of when you can introduce the toys. Okay, so I got a few new things for the kitchen. Hold on. I haven't done new, like, anything that has to do with home decor. I got recently from Home Goods this bowl. I love that it's like marble and the color of it. And it's heavy. It's so heavy. But I found it at Home Goods. There were two of them, but one of them, they were like kind of like a different shape. But I want to add like more natural pieces to the house. I don't know what it is, but every time I go to Mexico, like, the haciendas just inspire me. I love old buildings, like just how they look. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna add old things. I don't know. Anyways, I found this one at the thrift store. I like how it looks. I like the color of it. And I was thinking, when I saw it, I was like, this looks old. I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna put it on top of some books. But now that I look at it, I'm like, this is like for, what are they called? Like the condiments. Like, you can put like cebolla, cilantro, and like oregano, or like those type of things. I feel like the last person who owned this, they either put like sugar or like salt. I'm not gonna taste it obviously because it has like some residues. Even though I watched it, I gotta rewatch it again. So I think that's what they used it for. So now I'm like, where should I put this? Because I was thinking of putting it on a coffee table, but now that I like look at it once I got home, I'm like, oh, this is like something for the kitchen. And yeah, I'm trying to see like where should I put it, like on my dining table, or like should I use it as like, or maybe put like salt and pepper, but what would I put on the rest of them? But yeah, that's one thing that I got. And then here, this one, I think I could use it for so many things, like, but I think for right now I'm gonna use it as like my fruit bowl, because I don't have anywhere to put my fruit. We just leave it out in the counters. Oh, also I have to choose a winner for my giveaway winner. I think I'm gonna do like this little wheel, and it's gonna pick for me. H Brown 11. If you didn't enter it, then it's your loss, because I only get a little bit of comments, so that would have been a bigger chance for you to win. So if you didn't enter, oh well. Just kidding. Okay, ready? We're gonna spin this, because we gotta be fair. Vanessa. We have a winner. You better use the bag, okay? Thank you guys for entering the giveaway. But yeah, I need to clean the kitchen because it's so messy. And yeah, this is like, look. Yeah, let's clean it.
That's the truth, my dear. You're looking pretty fantastic. Years pass by with our goals intact. In tandem we're dancing till the nighttime lapse. We're in the daytime stranded. Your self-esteem tastes candid, but damn, it's hard to make a man with empty hands feel hands full of love. Like, damn, this a glove. Feel like the wintertime sun till our hands move backwards. Don't make a sound, it's so fragile. Walk that we treadin' too casual. No, I've had it good since I've had you. No, I'm scared as this is sad too. But this embrace feel natural. I wanna stay till pasture, even if it means I gotta face the music and hear the sound of being happy. Here we are. Every speck of weather is impeccable when you are near. And that's the truth, my dear. But words are the highest man. Our love never quiets down. Been itching to turn up the dial, but I'm scared to hear the sound.